ಮಾತೆ. ಇಂದು ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ನಿಗಮದ ಹಗರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರದ ಹಗರಣವನ್ನ ಈ ಸದನದ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದ ಜನರ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡದ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ದೇಶದ 3-4 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಆಂಧ್ರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅನೇಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 270 ಖಾತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಜಮಾ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾರು
Mr. Pramod Tiwari, please take your seat. Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
Don't permit that, sir.
1 second, sir. Let one of you speak.
No, sir.
Take your seat.
What is going on?
Take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala.
Please don't do
Mr. Randeep Surjewala. If you have a point of order, let Pramod Tiwari. Please, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, take your seat. I'll give 1 second. 1 second. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, please take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. I am allowing Pramod Tiwari. Take your seat, Mr. I will give you permission again. Take your seat. Yes, Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh have raised this
Okay,
issue.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat first. No, first go to your seat. Jairam, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat. And from the seat, you decide who wants to speak. You decide. Okay, before you decide, let Mr. Tiruchi Shah say something. Yes, Tiruchi Shah. Please.
Both the mics are on, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir.
I have given floor to Mr. Tiruchi. Mr. 1 second.
Sir.
Now, Mr.
Making
Tiruchi
use
Shah,
of your
1 second.
discretionary.
Mr. Tiruchi Shah, you are taking the floor. Look at the background. One background is a procedural issue to which I have given a quietus. Am I right? Second is you can raise. What is the issue?
Sir, before my colleague speaks, sir. Sir, I have only one submission.
I noticed it.
When you denied those 267 notices, sir, making use of your discretionary powers, a 0 hour which has not been listed, you have allowed, sir.
Yes.
We accept that you have powers, sir, sky high powers. And hereafter, when we give 267 notices, if it is not admitted, kindly give us also 0 hour time, sir.
One sec. Let me react to what Mr. Tiruchi has said.
With your permission only.
Take your seat first. I'm reacting to him. Please. Honorable members, please. Honorable members, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, a senior member, has raised a good point. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, invariably, I have been following this practice. But I can't force a member to raise an issue in 0 hour which he or she has raised in 267. But if any member has come to me, that the issue of 267, he wants to raise under the rules, I have never declined. So the House may take note of it. Now, Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what have you to say? 1 second, please.
Honorable Chairperson, sir.
What is your point?
My point is very simple. The honorable member of the BJP is playing a political drama in order to save the skin of the 40% commit.
Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what are you doing? 1 second. Take your seat. They will take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala, you are playing politics. Why are you playing politics? It is not a political platform. Nothing else will go on record. Is it a political platform? I gave you permission to raise point of order. Is it point of order? No, tell me. Is it point of order?
Sir, only when you put up, please. You shut down the mic, sir.
Either raise a point of order.
Saying
Raise a point. Nothing will go on